In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Mercuryo. So first, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to scroll down to the very bottom of their website, just like this. And you can see here, there we go, you have support, they have the help center, and the contact us option. So if you want to contact them, click on contact us over here. It's going to take you to a separate page, and you can then go ahead and submit your request or ticket. Go ahead and type in your email address, and then here the subject and of course the description, be as concise as possible. As you can see over here, it says please enter all the details of your request, and you can also type in your Mercuryo transaction ID if you have it, and the attachments if you have any as well. Once you've done this, click on the submit button and they will get back to you. As it says over here, they actually respond within an hour. But of course, if it's not that quick, just wait and they'll get back to you, okay? To your email address. So that's kind of the best way to contact them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.